In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ramp SMS limits in GoHighLevel. If you want to increase your messaging capacity inside GoHighLevel, the good news is that you can quickly check your current progress right from your sub-account settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find your messaging ramp status and understand what you need to do next. To begin, log into GoHighLevel. Once you're inside the platform, navigate to the sub-account where you want to review your SMS limits. This is important because messaging settings and ramp progress are managed at the sub-account level, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct location before moving forward. After you've opened the right sub-account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the configuration options related to your account, including phone and messaging features. Once you're in Settings, stay with the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Phone System. This section contains the tools and controls connected to calling, texting, and message-related setup, so it's the right place to go when you want to review SMS performance or limits. Inside the phone system area, click on Messaging. That will bring you into the messaging-related settings and options for the account. Next, click on Messaging Limits. This is the specific section you need if you want to monitor how your sending capacity is progressing over time. It's especially useful if you're actively using SMS and want to understand when your account may qualify for higher sending thresholds. Once you're in Messaging Limits, look for the Messaging Ramp Progress area. This section gives you a clear view of where your account currently stands in the ramping process. It's designed to help you track progress in a simple way, without needing to guess whether you're close to the next level. On the Messaging Ramp Progress card, you'll be able to see exactly how many messages need to be sent in order to unlock the next level. This is the key detail to watch because it tells you how far along you are and what's required to move up. If you're planning campaigns or estimating future sending volume, this card can help you set expectations and monitor growth more accurately. And that's it. That's how to find and check your SMS ramp limits in GoHighLevel. Once you know where this section lives, it becomes much easier to keep an eye on your messaging progress and understand what's needed to increase your limits over time.